In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can switch accounts here in Free Fire. Before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. This can obviously be very useful if you want to log out of your current account and play on another one, so let's go ahead and get straight into this. First things first, obviously open up Free Fire and look in the top right corner of your screen. Here you're going to see a settings gear icon. Go ahead and select that and it's going to open up your settings menu. From here, in the menu options, you're going to see a bunch of different things. You're going to want to go ahead and click on Account and Basic down at the very bottom. And then up at the very top in your account section where it says your status, where mine says Login History, you're going to have a bind option here. This section is where you can manage and link different accounts. If you don't have that bind option, it means you've already linked your account with whatever platform is in your status. So I used my iOS login to log into this account, which is why it has that little Apple logo there, but you probably don't have anything there yet. You're gonna wanna bind this. And there's multiple login methods like Google, Facebook, VK, depending on what your region is. If you do link a different account here, Free Fire is gonna automatically log you out of your current account and switch you to that new one. Sometimes it might restart the game after switching accounts. Don't worry though, that's completely normal. Once it reloads, you'll be logged into your new Free Fire account. But that's it. That's how you can switch accounts here in Free Fire. If you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. We'd greatly appreciate it. It really does help out the channel. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.